Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie cheeseburger. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video. Now to start off with our zombie burger, we're going to begin right up here. So I'll begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and I'll stop it right about there. I'm going to make a couple little bumps in here so it looks like there's a bite taken out. And then I'll bring it down to here. Next, I'll just draw a little line across to connect each side. Now for the lettuce. I'm just going to begin by making some kind of bumpy little lines that come right across here. And I'll bring it right to there. Now I want it to look like there's like some ketchup or stuff dripping on here. So I'm just going to make some wavy lines that are just going to come down and back to here. Then for the burger, I'm just going to make some kind of bumpy lines that are just going to go down, they're going to come across, and then up for the patty. Now for the cheese, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to come across. I'll add a couple little bumps in it so it looks like the cheese has some holes in it, but we'll go over to here and then bring it up. Then I'll draw a little line that goes down, and we'll come up. We'll do the same thing here, we'll go down, we'll go over and up, and then we'll just kind of follow the same line that we drew. And just add a couple little lines on here. And I'm going to add a couple little circle shapes up here too. Then starting here, we'll just draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up for the bottom bun. Now starting here, let's add the face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for an eye. I'll leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. Right underneath the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to curve up. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go down and then curve up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down with a sad face. And we're going to come across here for the mouth. I'm going to add a couple little squares in here for some teeth, and we'll make a little squiggly line down here for some drool. Now right here, I'm going to make a couple little small bumps in here so it looks like there's a little brain. And then right up here, I'm going to add, we'll do it off to the side, we'll add a little line that comes up. I want to make a circle on here, and then a little line that goes a little bit higher. And then right inside of here, I'm going to add a circle with a smaller circle, and I'm going to color this in so it looks like a little eyeball. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and back around for a little worm. And we'll add a couple little curved lines in here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little zombie cheeseburger. Now you could always add some extra things in here. You could put like little bugs up here for the seeds. You could put more little kind of details on here. You can do whatever you want. But I'm just going to keep it simple like this. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.